Hey, so if you want to send files quickly without creating an account, yeah, WeTransfer makes it super simple. You don't need to sign up or log in. You can send files in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to send files using WeTransfer without an account. First, open your browser and go to the WeTransfer website. When the site loads, yeah, you might see a terms pop up. Just accept it to continue. Now click Add Files and select the files you want to send from your device. After that, choose how you want to send them, either through email or by getting a shareable link. If you choose email, enter the recipient's email address and your own email. You can also add a short message, just to explain what the files are about, then click Transfer and wait for the upload to complete. This might take a little time depending on your file size and internet speed. Once everything is uploaded, yeah, you'll either see a confirmation that the email was sent, or you'll get a link that you can copy and share with anyone. So yeah, that's how to send files using WeTransfer without an account. It's quick, simple, and really convenient once you get used to it. Hey, so if you want to send